Hello guys, I'm Farza and welcome back to Farzdesign. Today I will redesign a popular brand. For the rebranding, I choose Dove. Dove is a personal care brand owned by Unilever, originated in the United States. Their brand color is dark blue and this golden color. I might use the dark blue, but I'm not going to use this gradient color. So this is the mood board I came up with and I collect this inspiration from Pinterest. I select this 5 font and you can see their name here. This first one is giving me a bit of a corporate company vibe, so I'm not gonna use this one. I like V and E of this second one, so I'm gonna keep it for now. And about this one, this O does look like the original logo, so this one might work. About fourth one, no, I don't really like it for this particular logo, so say goodbye to this one. Again, this fifth one has little bit of a corporate look, so not this one either. Here we are with this 2 font. Actually, I got an idea to work with this font, so I'm gonna work with this one. Guys, as you see, I make quite changes in this font. I'm not gonna deny it was a little bit of a struggle. I'm trying to make a bird icon to include in the branding. I will make it more simple and minimalist so it will be easy to recognize. So here is the new logo for Dove. Now the fun part. I will add the colors and play with it a bit. I was little scared about how it's gonna turn out, but I really like how it looks. This color goes so well with this branding. I will design some mock-ups and presentation.